Hi, thank you for coming to my presentation. My name is Roberto Aguirre, and today I would like to talk about the different functions that the product administrator performs at the production control department at WinPack. I chose this topic because it's the job that I've been performing since I started WinPack, working on WinPack 3 years ago. So basically, in the production control department, exists a group of 3 people that performs the product data administrator that we usually call it PDA. Our principal role is to provide customer service to several internal departments. So the most current department that requests our service will be marketing and graphics. That those departments request the creation of new items, and those new items are under a specific family, and those items are a unique that will be carrying inventory. The research and development department, together with costing, they request new families because we don't have that kind of family on the system. They request the new family according with the customer needs, and after that we create the quote that we refer to costing. They offer the best price to our customers. We also do internal service for our department because we create alternates to even use overage inventory or to expedite some orders instead of waiting for some material. Our main role, as I said previously, is to create new items or part numbers. One of more current items that we create is roll stock that can be printed or plain. Those items or those packaging stuff can be used to pack ham, sausage, or bacon, etc. Pouches is another one that WinPack offer, another product. Those can be also printed or plain, and they are used to pack pet food, seeds, or even frozen meats. And as I said previously, we create quotes, can be for roll stock, pouches, printed or plain, to offer a very good price to our customers. So in order to create those items, we have to follow some procedures or process that is I'm showing here. The first thing is reviewing the structure. If it exists on the system, we go ahead and create the item. If not, we refer to coordinator and advise them that they have to refer to the R&D department in order to create those new families, and we can create the new item. And also, because WinPack have several machines, we have machine specifications and how we can set it up the material, what are the restrictions, and what are the capabilities in each machine. Well, we have to follow those specifications for each different product. And as well, the manufacturing comments or MO comments. We create those comments, we check those comments because can have very important information from the customer that we have to follow, or either that the film has to be on some kind of a test in the lab previously before sending it to the customer. Our last step will be our internal activities. After we create all those items during the month, we perform a monthly audit to be sure that all the items have the proper speed code or scrap code, that it will tell us how fast or how much scrap is going to use on at the moment of the production. We also, after some time, the customer don't need anymore that product, or they change the kind of product, so we build the system to nobody use those items and not produce anything that has not to be produced. And as well, we help the planners in create alternates to expedite printed orders to instead waiting for material to arrive to the plant. And as well, we create alternates because sometimes the suppliers send the material and get damaged in the transportation, so we have to rework those materials. And my conclusion, as we see, the PDA job is a very important integration of these items, and we are the start point of the new items. Thank you for attention. This is it for me. How much was?